Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's an international friendly. Bafana 1, Panama 1. I'm joined by Umfana Sem Nambichi.
Ubani Stivo.
Asanda.
Nando tek.
Izinja bafethu.
Grand Stivo. No man Stivo ya.
Uyiphula kanjani mfana?
Hayi kunzima Stivo. Ngiqale ngokuthi asibuyele la indaba enzele ukhuzana zenzeke eAfrika. Stivo abantu banikezwa ama-AFCON Stivo.
Senegal Morocco.
Uyanikwa. Stivo Twami. Engazi mina imatch last 90 plus 2 months.
Sure.
Besikhani sonikezwa lomuntu. Basitshela ngerule, le rule abasitshela ngayo i-apply ematchini ukuthi if i-team iyaphuma then i-ref iyayivala igame ithi winner ithatha uloss ophakathi. Mara bona abaphumile baphinde babuyisa khane bezodecide after 2 months. African football imali. Mara sithibo no sizothini. Ngeseqhamuka i-CAF president sisichazela izinto ento uyabona nje ukuthi yabo la kwenziwa i-decision kwaqedwa akasikuthiwani nasi statement ambotshela abantu. Yebo. Mara kayisothini asikene kuyo le bafana sithibo bengicabanga ukuthi most of abantu bayazi ukuthi ama games akanje it's not about the scoreline most of the time. It's not about ukuthi simele sithola ama points or simele siwine mhlambe siya kwi cup final. It's about testing. It's about seeing the best of our South African players that are available at the time. So currently maybe abaningi bengazibuza ukuthi why kukhona bo Ime Okoni, why kukhona bo Bongokuhle Hlongwane, all those players. It's an experiment with these players to say we are going to World Cup. So we cannot depend on players lawa besinawo ngeAFCON only. We have to try others. Amanye ama players swabona ukuthi adlala kanjani. If you look at Thapelo Maseko for example, surely uzongena next game. That player bedlalela iSundowns engayitholi game time. But that side he has been performing very well. So wabona ukuthi maybe this potentially this player can go that side. Even Bongokuhle Hlongwane, if you watch MLS, you can see he is even loved by ama fans at that side. Because he's a good player, he contributes defensively, contributes even forward. So it shows this coach Hugo Broos is trying to see are there any other players who can give us something that is an eye. Because right now, if you can check Bafana as a whole, even like AFCON, you could see yes, we have a team, but you can feel man, there's this something you should die. Because Snama players, it's a team. I can say maybe in Africa we are in between the top 10 best teams currently. But if you check out the ways Jala ngakhona, the ways consider ngakhona, uzibuze sometimes ukuthi how lama players amanyawa wadlalela iCAF, akompisa kwiCAF top competition in Africa. But how can they make such a mistake? The one lanes way against the Panama because betholele a goal. Because if you can check Panama, if the way abaqale ngakhona game, you could tell ukuthi it's like they are giving Bafana bafethu sidlaleni sibone ukuthi the best kanje. But manje yasibona iPanama ukuthi lama jitha senze njani siyakhona naye and bakhane beqaqeka bakhane besubabona ukuthi bedlala and bathola futhi goal and nge-second half if ubhekile bathole bashaye ngisho insimbi la I think Ime Okoni naye wenza mistake bamthathela ibhola bacishe bashaya. So it's those little things lezo zibhekayo if you are going to World Cup ezokushaya and mawuthatha ukubheka futhi na kwi-AFCON asikhishwanga ukuthi besi bad overall but asikhishwe lama little mistakes lawe singawanaki bese beyashaya. So if siya ku-World Cup with le mentality le esiqale ngayo le game noma ngithi first half esidlale ngayo because if you check first half ne second half very different. If igoli le second half uyalibheka indlela engene ngakhona beyingekho that spirit beyingekho that aggressiveness in the first half. I think the coach maybe said something to them, maybe bathusi, because la it's more about individual player yona, not ukuthi as a team as a whole. It's not about the team. Mawuthinta ibhola, the coach is watching ukuthi what are you doing. So it's it's those kind of things lezi kumele asibheke ucoach ukuthi ama players actually, because it's about players themselves ukuthi ke wena striker if ubheka uLyle Foster Steve ama chances amangaka watholile kodwa striker playing for a Premier League uzochomela ukuthi udlala iPremier League nasi iPremier League stats ngaskip ngaskip istats sikulanje stats ka Renus oke waba injured during the season sithi bheka lezi strikers ewu2 isiphe singadlala la then bese ke uyabuya uzomfaka kule match le lama lokhuza nawagethile angimangani na Premier League wenza the same thing, it's the same thing yamisa bamfaka yabo le
amasitha
yabo le yami engadlala no De Bruyne ngabe kudala yaliyeka ibhola because uDe Bruyne yakubonisa inkomo wena kufakela ibhola ugeja kuphinda kufakele futhi ayi
vaya
hayi lazi
hlala phansi
yabo. So it's those kind of things emele bazibhekelele mabe yakwilelo kuzana but I'm glad ukuthi kwenzeke against ePanama lezi zinto azenzeka ngama group stages, so we gonna check khona top quality yayona khona izinto zakho and uBape ukubheka wawini World Cup kule World Cup 2022 waba best player lapha, I think waba top goal scorer lapha, so those kind of things mele uzibhekelele ama statistics enzeka la World Cup bese ubheka i-team yakho ukuthi mina ngacompete yini. So Steve asingesijudge kakhulu kwamanje, we just look at the second game then bese ke lapho guys bangela one by one.
Thank you Jaya.